So apparently this is how Kim Kardashian contours her face. So we're gonna try her technique. I already have my foundation done, so let's get into the rest. Okay, so first I'm gonna start by placing my contour, and I'm gonna use the Makeup by Mario contour stick in medium dark. So I did go ahead and start placing the contour. I am a little bit worried about how she has it placed right here, as you guys can see, because I usually bring it up higher, but we're gonna copy her exact technique and do it her way. All right, so now that all the contour is done, we're gonna go in with the concealer. Okay, so we are gonna start with the forehead. All right, and it looks like she just does about 3 lines like that underneath the eye. Do the same to the other side. Okay. Now let's do the jaw here. It does look like she has like some blush and highlight as well too. And does she put the concealer on her lips? It kind of looks like it, so I'm just gonna do it. Okay, I'm gonna finish off the rest of the concealer and I'll be right back. All right, so this is what we have. I hope I positioned everything correctly, but let's just get right into the blending. So when I was blending out this part here, I was blending upwards. That's how I usually blend out my contour, just because I want to make sure I'm lifting the face and not dragging it down. So now for the nose, I'm just going to lightly blend it in, and then I am going to diffuse it more with a beauty blender after. Everything is blended out. Obviously you can go back in and fix it up a bit if you need to, but now I'm going to do my powder and the rest of my makeup off camera, and I'll be back with the final results. Okay, I'm obsessed. What do you guys think?
People are always shocked to hear that I only let girls follow this account, or respectful men, and yes, it has practically become a full-time job, but it is great. I also get comments asking if trans people can follow the account because it is mainly aimed at women, and yes, if you identify as a woman, then you are a woman. The reason I don't let just anyone follow this page is because I want this to be a safe space where women can post virtually anything without being judged, whether that's talking about our body image and our lopsided boobs, or whether that means showing what foundation looks like on real, unfiltered skin. We don't care if you're a 40-year-old woman who hasn't had their first kiss, or if you're a 16-year-old girl who has kissed the whole world. If you want to join the girl gang where we talk about anything from pores to periods, then you have come to the right place, but no negative Nancys are allowed here. I've been receiving a ton of hate comments over on Instagram from both men and women telling me I am ugly, asking if I'm a man, and calling me a catfish. I am here today to stand up for all the women out there across the world who feel the pressure to look and be perfect. We compare ourselves to celebrities, Instagram models, and beauty gurus who will try to sell you a pore-blurring foundation while completely airbrushing their skin on Facetune. No foundation is going to blur your entire face, no under-eye cream is going to magically remove your bags, and no contour stick is going to get rid of your double chin. Makeup is makeup. It's amazing, it's transformative, and it is fun, but it is never going to look as smooth as the people you see online because their makeup doesn't even look like that. Welcome to my new series where I ditch the filters and show you what makeup really looks like.
Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. To do a dangerous thing with style is what I call art.
literally suffered from this makeup problem for half my freaking life. If there was a solution to fix your creasing in your smile lines, I had to find it. You're going to take a small amount of eyeshadow primer and dot it into your crease. Then you're going to tap it in using your fingertips and do not use a lot of product here. Now you're going to take an eyeshadow brush and some translucent fine powder. You want to dab and set that primer into the crease. Now with that same brush, you're going to smile and you're really going to work that product into that crease. For your foundation, you want to blend everything out first before moving to this area. You want as little product on these smile lines as possible. But you have foundation on, you're going to go back in with that same powder and reset those lines. To do this, you want to make sure you're using a rolling motion. Final step, you're going to take an eyeshadow brush and some setting spray, mist it, and gently press. And now you're smile line free.
Style. Style is the answer to